Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of haircut options and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you have been thinking of cutting your hair and you're looking for some fresh hairstyle ideas, this video is for you. So here we have someone rocking this gorgeous platinum pixie. Love this paired with the red lip, followed by a bob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist is going to be mixing in some bangs with this particular bob. Gorgeous bottleneck style bangs. They are a little bit shorter than you would typically see, like the curtain style bangs. This is really pretty. And we're seeing a lot of bangs being added to the bobs this season. It's just a fresh take and a nice way to add some texture and to frame the face. Here we have a pixie haircut. This is so cute. This one features bangs in the front, shaven sides, and nape area. Followed by more of a pixie mohawk variation, and she also has platinum hair coloring. With such beautiful hair, why would you ever want to cover it with a hat? So then we move into another bob haircut transformation. I believe this one is also going to feature some bangs as well. Like I said before, we're seeing a lot of bobs with bangs. Oh, very nice. And she does have more of like the bottleneck style bangs as well. Jaw length bob haircuts. Gorgeous. Next up, we have a pixie haircut. Now, I thought that this was rather interesting. She keeps the front portion by the sideburns long, and I really thought that this was interesting because I'm seeing this a lot on TikTok where people are keeping a few longer strands in the front. So let me know what you think of this particular haircut down below. I love the salt and pepper color. And the longer sideburns definitely adds some interest to the cut overall. And then we have a rather unique pixie haircut. Very bold design. So they did add some color within the shade work. It's like a piece of art, to be honest. Definitely edgy and something unique, bold, very creative. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. More of like the curtain style bangs with this one. Beautiful. And then we have another pixie bob variation. So we're seeing a lot of these pixie bob haircuts. They're a great option if you're in between styles and you're not sure which one you want to get. And I love her hair color. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, hit that thumbs up, the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.